Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at whether or not we can go live on Badoo. Now let's begin. Well, right here as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's see if we can go live or not. Right here, there is no option to go live. Even when I go to profile, as you can see, there is no option to go live. Well guys, that's about it. As you can see, there is no option to go live on Badoo. Well guys, hope that clears your confusion. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.